Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a sandwich. Well, my type of sandwich that I like eating. So yeah, let's get started. Sorry, I'm whispering. Okay, so first you're gonna need a plate, bread, meat, cheese. Wow, this is really stacking up. Next is mustard. Lettuce, or something like lettuce. Okay, I moved the sack, but now, sorry, that's they're playing Just Dance, but right now you need some chicken. Okay, so that was the last ingredient. Now you will need a butter knife. Okay, so what you're going to do is get your plates and get your bread. Put 2 pieces of bread on the plate. Sorry, I speak. Okay, so now you will add the meat on to your bread. Now your cheese. Now your mustard. Now use your butter knife to smear the mustard. Now your lettuce. And now the chicken. Okay, so now I am going to flip them together. Let's do it. This is gonna be kind of risky. I gotta hold down. There you go. Now you have your sandwich. Let's watch me eat it. So let's now try it. It looks like I have food in my mouth, but no. But let's try. That's good. I haven't had this in a while, so it's pretty good. But yeah. Hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that sub button. I'll see you next time. Toodles. Sorry, my dog was whining, but yeah, bye. Hold on, were you about to leave? But don't leave, because I need to show you something real quick. It's funny. I can do this now. Oh, what's that on my face? Actually, I should know what that is. That's mustard. But yeah, Let me show you what I